Can you even cut his tail?
You can download the app.
You can.
What's up, YouTube? We're back with another taste testing video.
And today, we're trying out the Rice Krispies strawberry.
If you remember earlier in the video, we did the Rice Krispies cookies and cream.
Damn, already?
Wait, you know, I'm about to give them a little flashback of what we did last time. But this time we're going to be tasting
Let the thumbnail capture itself. Sometimes the thumbnail generates. Alright.
Wow, that was awkward. But,
Can I open it now?
Yeah, it's your favorite strawberry. Shoppers too. My mother also got this two shoppers. I can take a guess at the price for $3 and some change. I did the rap shit.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hit on me. But yes, Rice Krispies Treats strawberry version. There's a chocolate version and there's a regular version, of course. And there's like some other versions. M&M's, them jokes nasty. The M&M ones are nasty.
Yeah, we're from the person before told you they were nasty.
Yeah.
But
we're gonna try it for ourselves because everybody got different taste buds.
And I never remember anything but just plain strawberry being nasty.
Yeah.
Ooh, boy, this y'all smell good. It smells like strawberries. Oh God.
Dang.
Fuck it, thank you.
I shot her.
I don't smell nothing. Can I smell?
Yeah.
Oh,
You don't smell the strawberry?
Fuck no. No. But
I fuck with it. I fuck with
Ooh,
it.
this is good.
I fucks with it. I fucks with it.
That may want.
Oh, she is dead. Wait, what happened?
they just,
What, she fell?
if you look at it, they just put strawberry stuff on it. That's it.
Just the tail right here, Kat.
She did.
Same thing as the chocolate one, but it's decent. It's not better than the original, but it's decent.
Oh, never mind. She's not dead because I saw a trailer.
It's decent.
I was joking. I don't want this shit.
Oh, you don't like strawberry no more.
I do. I like strawberry, but I don't eat too much Rice Krispies. I don't know.
It's decent. It's not all that. It's not all that. It's
I give it an 8.
I give it a 6.
You sound good, 8.
I like the original better. The original is better.
Fall in the hole.
Huh? What hole you fall in there?
This is good.
It's decent.
Alright, you guys know what the deal is next. This is when we do our closing statement of you liking, commenting, and sharing and subscribing in Shaheem's Stead living room.
You gonna hear the popping when you hear it.
Oh yeah. Hit that notification button. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you in the next video.
Johnny.
But yeah, I think that's it.
That's weird. These videos have been like 4 minutes in short.
Yeah.
Those have been like 10 minutes. But we're in a hurry, as we said in the last video.
Kind of.
Why y'all hurrying?
Shut up. Sorry, no. But yeah. But all right, boys. Take care of the kids. That's it. Like, comment, sub. You said the rest.